Hello, I'm Lakshman Maaheshwary, and today I'm going to tell you about performing personal SWOT analysis for career boost. SWOT analysis or SWOT metrics is a strategic planning technique used to identify strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats related to life and career goals, business competition, or project planning. SWOT is intended to specify the objectives and identify the internal and external factors that are favorable and unfavorable to achieving those objectives. It is described as the tried and true tool of strategic analysis. Now, let us talk about these internal and external factors. Strengths and weaknesses are frequently internal, whereas opportunities and threats commonly focus on the external environment. Let us see the components of SWOT. Strengths are the characteristics that give us an advantage over others. Weaknesses, on the other hand, are characteristics that place us at a disadvantage relative to others. Opportunities are the elements in the environment that we could exploit to our advantage. And threats are the elements in the environment that could cause trouble for us. Now, let me introduce the concept of strategic fit. It is the degree to which the internal environment matches with the external environment. Greater the strategic fit, higher are the chances of success. In a nutshell, a well executed SWOT can help find the right career for you and highlight the path to fulfill your life and career goals. Let us have a look at a SWOT matrix. As mentioned, it comprises of strengths, weaknesses, which are both internal, and opportunities and threats, which are external. Now let us examine each one of them. Talking about the strengths, they can comprise of things like what do you do better than anyone else? What do people see as your strong points? What is your unique selling proposition? Something that distinguishes you from the others. So basically, your strengths could be any unique skill set that you have, any special qualification or certification that you have, or it could even be a simple habit or practice that you might possess. Coming to weaknesses, they are the areas that pull you down. What could you improve? What should you avoid? What is continuously harming your efficiency? What are people likely to see as your weakness? Anything that you do regularly or continuously but is counterproductive can be listed here. Next, we are moving on to the opportunities. What good opportunities can you spot? What interesting trends are you aware of? Are there any changes in technology and market? Or are there any changes in the government policy or regulation? Or are there changes in social patterns, population profiles, lifestyle changes, preferences, etc.? The opportunities can also arise from local advantages. So basically, anything that is changing in the external environment that can work to your benefit comes under opportunities. For example, if due to government regulations, there's a new certification required for working in the field of finance, it becomes an opportunity. You can undertake that course and you will have better job perspective. Finally, let us come to threats. What are your competitors doing better than you? Are quality standards or specifications for your job or business changing? Are you becoming obsolete or irrelevant? Is changing technology threatening your position? For example, if the trends predict that people are buying most of the stuff online and you're still selling offline, it might become a threat for you. So, once you have listed down your strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats, let us understand how to use it. First, consider whether the objective is attainable given the SWOT that you have just conducted. If the objective is not attainable, select a different objective and repeat the process. Basically, use the SWOT and understand whether you possess the skills and the talent to achieve the objective that you have set. based on the SWOT that you have conducted, maintain the edge where you are doing well, narrow the gap where you are lacking, and if your skills don't go well with what you are currently doing, it is time to switch. This video was about performing personal SWOT analysis for career boost and brought to you by Lakshman Maaheshwary. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and share to keep receiving important updates. Enjoy your day.